Hunter, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal. I'm today going to be working on a 2017 XT5 Cadillac. We've got about a 3.5 inch dent here with some scratches. We're going to have to take care of the dent and buff those scratches out. Got about a 7.5 to 8 inch line low here. And as a scratch here, we're going to go ahead and take those and buff those as well. Also, we have a line up here. It's about 3.5, 4 inch line that we're going to have to remove that dent as well. Let's go ahead and get started.
I'd like to give you some examples of the paintless dent removal process. Most people don't even know the process exists. I get a little excited when I get a chance to show what can be done using the paintless dent removal process while saving their factory finish. If you'd like to know more about the paintless dent removal process and how it's done, subscribe to my YouTube channel or feel free to leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.
Angelo Dent Removal has been in the paintless dent removal industry for over 25 years. Now that the job is completed, we've removed the dent from the top of the door here. Also had a large dent here in the middle of the door, about 7 or 8 inch dent. There was also a large dent in the front door. We've got that all removed as well, using the paintless dent repair process, not altering the factory finish, keeping it 100% original.
Another flawless repair like it was never there.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.